In this tutorial, we'll be comparing Ally Bank market versus savings account. So let's get started. Now, both Ally Bank's money market account and savings account offer convenient options for saving your money, but they have key differences you should consider before choosing one. So we're going to go ahead and discuss that in this video. So I'm going to divide them into two columns: market and savings. Now let's go ahead and discuss the first point, which is access. Now, money market account offers more ways to access your funds, including debit card, checks, and ATM withdrawals. This makes it more like a checking account with interest earning potential. So, it has more ways to access your funds. More ways to access funds. All right? Now, for the other savings account, it's primarily for savings with limited access to options like ATM withdrawals and electronic transfers. Some features like buckets and boosters help organize your savings for different goals. So, limited ways. Now let's go ahead and look at the interest rates. Now, money market account historically offers slightly higher interest rates than Ally's high yield savings account, but rates can fluctuate more based on market conditions. So, the interest rate are higher. Now, for savings account, they offer a competitive, stable interest rate with the convenience of Ally's buckets and boosters for goal-oriented savings. So, they have a stable interest rate. Now, let's go ahead and look at the fees. Now, money market account has no monthly fees, but there are limited monthly transactions allowed, which are six withdrawals slash transfers combined. Excess transactions incur a small fee. So, there is no monthly fee, but you can only use six times for withdrawal or transfers. Now, for savings account, there is no monthly fees or transaction limits, making it a flexible option for casual saving. So, there are no limits, unlike market account. Now, overall, choose money market account if you need frequent access to your funds and prefer the convenience of a debit card and checks. You're comfortable with potentially slightly higher interest rates that may fluctuate. Now, choose savings account if you prioritize a stable, predictable interest rate and want flexible access without transaction limits. You're happy with ATM withdrawals and electronic transfers for accessing your funds. Now, ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs and saving goals. Consider how often you need to access your funds, your comfort level with interest rate fluctuations, and your preferred features to make an informed decision. So, alright, guys, that is it for the comparison. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.